MinitChess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to capture your opponent's king. Lay out a 5x6 board with the lighter squares in the bottom corners. Place white's pawns on the second row, and on the first row, set up rook, knight, bishop, queen, king. Black sets up the same way, so the pieces are not mirrored. Bishops may change colors by moving one space to an adjacent empty space. They may not capture or check by doing this, but they may check after doing this. Pawns are not allowed their initial double-step move option. Therefore, en passant is not allowed. Pawns may only promote to a queen. You are not allowed to castle. If there is no victory by 40 moves, then the game ends in a draw. You are allowed to move your king into check. The first player to capture their opponent's king wins.